the elevator at Building D at Mesa Commons here in El Paso.
Hi, are you going up?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't know you were. Just.
Yeah, I like elevators.
Oh, yeah?
I do.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I came from the Metroplex to film some elevators in El Paso.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. There used to be, have you been to Cotton Street? There's an LTAC, which is long-term care facility, and they used to have the oldest elevators. I don't know what, if the ones that had the wrought iron.
Oh, really?
It's LTAC, LTACH, I think, or LTAC. It's on Cotton Street and what's the other street going up? It's right by Sierra Hospital. Do you know where Murchison is?
I think I've heard of Murchison.
Okay, Murchison. If you go, well, you can catch Murchison here on Mesa. You turn left, it's Schuster, and then it turns into Murchison, and you follow it. That's what it is. And then you go down, and it's to your left-hand side on the corner of Murchison and Cotton Street. Murchison and Cotton Street.
I'll definitely check it out.
Yeah, they used to have. In fact, they said that one person got crushed there like 40 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and it's supposed to be the oldest place. So I don't know if they still have those elevators or if they got new ones. But if you like them, that's one to see.
Oh, I'm so gonna check it out.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
We're gonna get off at 1. We'll get off at 1. It's just a Dover Impulse. We're gonna get off at 1. Dover. From the 90s, I think. Let's get off here.